Well, you join me looking at this rather dirty again Lancer. We only cleaned it a fortnight ago, and as you can see, it's starting to look a little bit worse for wear. So I think we might break out the cleaning stuff and yeah, see if we can improve on it slightly. It's just a matter of where it gets parked. It's where its owner, or where Lancer Girl parks it at where to work. Yeah, not conducive to car duco. So we'll see if we can make it look nice for the weekend anyway. So you can see all the little bits. So a little bit of work to do, but I'm sure we'll be able to get it looking very nice again. Okay, so today's equipment, we're using the frother, which has got a bit of Bowden's cleaning product in there, and yeah, this thing, you pump it up and it froths. Does look a bit, but we won't go into that. So yeah, we give it a bit of a go with this, and then I've already given it one rub down, and I might give it another one with this. Now I'm dribbling. That's not looking too good. I think it needs a bit more of a pumping. That's better. And yeah, anyway, we'll give it a bit more and then we'll hose her off and we'll be back with the results. I'm washing a Lancer, and what's going past? What's going past? These cars are starting to stalk me now. I'm starting to get bothered by them. Everywhere I'm looking, I'm seeing an AU. Oh, there goes a nice Lancer too. Okay, so we've got the big thick and thirsty towel, and we shall give it the wipe over, up and down, back and forth, and yeah, that's the result I'm looking for. Clean. Alright. Okay, what do you guys think? I think that's a remarkable improvement. It's clean. Still just got to polish off the windows, but yeah, I'm reasonably pleased with it, and I hope Lancer Girl is too, for her Lancer. Sorry about this, still a little bit of water drip. For some reason these modern things tend to hold water around in that part. Can't be helped. But yeah, I think it's looking rather good. So I'll just clean or polish up the windows a bit, and this car is clean, all ready to enjoy the weekend with, so she can get it dirty again, so then I can clean it again. Well, I hope Lancer Girl's satisfied with the finish on this. I spent a little bit of time, not too fussed about it this time, but another time we'll give it a real good cleaning and probably give it a bit of a ceramic coat as well. But I just thought I'd give it a tidy up for her while she was visiting. And as you can see, it's looking rather nice again. And yes, I have cleaned the windows slightly as well. But yeah, as I said, it's looking really good again, which is not hard to get. I just got to do the back window a bit more, and yeah, she should be good. I know they're not the most interesting car in the world, not the most exciting car to look at, but it is her pride and joy, and she likes to have it cleaned, and she's lucky enough to have somebody who can clean it for her. So yeah, I think that shot's pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next one.